Our approach to product development originates in the DNA of Japanese craftsmanship. Here in Malaysia, Panasonic is building on the Japanese tradition of uncompromising quality control worldwide. Developing and manufacturing fine products and delivering them to customers everywhere. Stringent testing ensures reliability. And the durability required for long-term use. Built to operate under conditions found anywhere in the world. Uncompromising design for safety and for superior comfort. Every component meets the most demanding international standards. And damage during shipping is prevented.
Customer safety comes first.
The lowest noise level.
Accuracy for any environment in the world.
We ensure high quality and safety.
Compliance for the world.
The spirit of Panasonic.
Panasonic.